So now we're going to move on to part 2 of section 5, which is saving templates. So let's just say we've got our little section here, and we want to reuse it without having to retype this all up again. So what we can do is we can click on this up here. So if you see this little purple icon up here, if you select the 3 dots and you right click on it, that will allow you to save that section as a template. So we're going to click Save as Template. We're going to call it Test Section, and then click Save. And you'll see here, it tells you the creation date, who created it, and the name of the section. You can preview the section by clicking the Preview button there, and you can see it there. So now we're going to reuse this. So what we're going to do is, down here, we're actually going to click on Add Template. And you'll see here, we've only got the one template here. We're going to click Insert, click Apply, and you'll see here, it just re-added it. So it's just going to add it like that. And so that's basically how you can reuse sections. Now, you can actually do the same thing with individual containers. So you could do the same thing with this one by clicking on that and then clicking on Save as Template, or clicking on that and clicking on Save if you just want to save this or just want to save this. But that's basically how you save templates. Now we're going to move on to the real meat of, which is the discussion of widgets.